Hi, welcome back. The problem today is about the nesting radical equation. Now, let's get started. We have 5 and multiplied by third root of x multiplied by fifth root of x. Then minus 1 and it will equal to 3 multiplied by 1 minus fifth root of x multiplied by third root of x. So, for the first look of the equation that you see a big complex here, right? And here, because there is the two radical side and they are nesting together. But to me, to show this kind of nesting equation, radical equation, we should transform the nesting or removing the nesting then convert it into one nesting radical. In this case, we can check this like third root of x multiplied by fifth root of x will be equal to third root of fifth root x power of 6. And for the second nesting radical, this will be fifth root of x multiplied by third root of x equal to fifth root of third root of x power of 4. Then we just compare these two roots together, 3 and 5th. This will become 15 root of x power of 6. Then the same for the second nesting radical. This will be equal to fifth root of x power of 4. Then the equation will become 5 multiplied by 15 root of x power of 6 minus 1 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 minus 15 root of x power of 4. Then we see that there is the substitution we can put here for the representation of x that we call a equal to 15 root of x squared. And a would be positive non-negative numbers. Then we will write that this 15 root of x power of 6 will be equal a power of 3. And 15 root of x power of 4 equal to a squared. Then the asterisk equation would be 5 a power of 3 minus 1 equal to 3 1 minus a squared. For this equation that looks very easy because we can use the factorization method that would be 5 multiplied by a minus 1 multiplied by a squared plus a plus 1 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 minus a multiplied by a plus 1. Then we group two factors have same here. Then we have a minus 1 outside, then multiply with the other expression f5, multiply with a squared plus a plus 1 plus 3 a plus 1 equal to 0. Then we continue to simplify the expression inside the bracket, that we will have 5a squared plus a squared a8 and plus 6 equal to 0. Then we look at the equation. We have two factors. The first factor is a minus 1. The second factor is 5a squared plus 8a plus 6. And obviously, we can apply the formula of the quadratic equation, and we can see that this is always greater than 0 and has no root with the real numbers. So the possible solution is always a minus 1 equal to 0. It means square root the 15 root of x squared equal to 1. Then x have to be equal to 1 or negative 1. That is the solution or the root of this equation. So you see that the problem is not too difficult. The most difficult thing is about the negative radicals. We just look at the deeper inside the radical and remove the level of the radical. Then we can have one radical side with the x values. Then try to put the substitution variable here. Finally, use the basic method like the factorization or the quadratic equation formula. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.